Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up login alerts on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Facebook app and tap on the 3 horizontal lines button in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Under the Account heading, tap Password and Security. Scroll down to the Setting Up Extra Security heading and tap Get Alerts about unrecognized logins. You can now choose how you would like to be notified about unrecognized logins: by Facebook notification, on Messenger, or by email. Choose the option that you would like and tap Get Notifications, and then tap Save. You will now get alerted when there is an unrecognized login to your account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.